Good morning, everyone. My name is Varshadipti Gampala, and my subject is Information Systems for Managers. And my professor is Anjuman Bose. So today, I'm going to tell you about my article title is North American Airlines targeted by cyber attacks. So in one of the reports published by NBC News in June 2025 under this name North American Airlines hit with cyber attacks, various major airlines on the continent are admitted to having succumbed to the latest cyber institutions. Both the WestJet and Hawaiian Airlines issued official press releases asserting that they had been subjected to security hacks. Though little information has been provided, the attack serves to remind the cyber threats against the aviation industry are on the increased level. Technical disturbance was also a recent issue in American Airlines. Nevertheless, the exact degree to which this was a case of cyber attack or a localized system malfunction is still questionable. Google and Palo Alto Networks analysis uh, believe it could be an ultra dangerous hacking network called Scattered Spider. And also, when coming to the credentials are then deployed by partner cyber criminals to install ransomware, a malicious computer code that blocks digital systems till they get ransom. And firstly, when coming to the application to module concepts, my module concepts are cybersecurity and threat landscape, and IT governance and risk management, and compliance and regulatory implications, digital privacy and data governance too. And so, coming to the cybersecurity and landscape. The attacks outlined in the article are good illustration of how difficult it is to predict an attack in Module 2. Since its nature and methods are continually changing, the tricks employed by Scattered Spider, specifically social engineering and ransomware, are indicators of the maturity of contemporary attacks. And IT governance and risk management, coming to the IT governance and risk management, the case identifies the importance of IT governance in controlling cybersecurity risks as well. And when compared to the when coming to the compliance and regulatory implications, based on the case in the article, one can argue that the FBI participation in the case in question highlights the gravity of such cyber attacks. Seasoned and honest communication with the appropriate authorities has also been emphasized. And coming to the digital privacy and data governance, the theft of personal information is not yet mentioned in the article directly, but it is well documented that ransomware attacks tend to cause the leakage of sensitive personal data. The fact that customer of employee data could have been compromised during the airline attacks further makes the argumented of tight data governance efforts. And coming to the conclusion, the case study of the case on cyber attacks against the North American Airlines is a good example of how the concepts discussed in Module 2 apply to the real world. It emphasizes how the current threat in cybersecurity, the strategic importance of IT governance, regulatory compliance, and digital privacy, has gone beyond the theoretical to the real time emergencies. And so from the module 2, or the important as they are essential regarding both the safeguarding of operational integrity and the preservation of the public trust in an industry that is both heavily regulated and sensitive. And so this is my topic. Thank you so much.